Today I'm going to show you how to create an amazing YouTube banner on Canva in the most simplest way. So try this out. So here we are in Canva, and honestly guys, Canva is such an amazing app. Banners, thumbnails, reels, posts, you can do so much on it. First thing you want to do is you want to come to create and create your custom size for our banner. 25 by 60, 1440. But luckily Canva already has it, so just search YouTube banner. Then you basically want to search YouTube banner template on Google, and you're going to save this. And this is super helpful because it allows us to know how the YouTube thumbnail size is. So you're going to click save, and then all we have to just do is upload this image, and we're going to drag that out onto the full page and then just crop accordingly. This is really good because then we know that we're actually creating this banner in the right size. Now, the next part is we're going to go to elements. Here, we're basically going to create a shape. So you're going to go to elements and click the first shape you see, which is the square. And then you're going to drag that out. Now that we're happy with that, we can bring this back and then delete this image itself. Next, you're going to change the color. I'm going for more of like a dark theme just because I feel like it's nicer. But you can go for so many colors like pink, blue, gray, navy, so many different colors. So we're going to go for this. Next, we're going to create a fade. I feel like the fade adds like a certain effect. So you go to element, search fade, and we're going to go for like a white fade here. And this is pretty much how it would look. And then I'll just like edit that or crop it accordingly. This is called horizontal white drop shadow. Next, we're going to get our circle, which is going to be in the frame section of the element. And this is going to be for like any image you choose. So like your selfie or just anything you want to add into your shape. So just simply go to upload and then drag your photo right there. And that's what it looks like. Next, we're going to add our text. So you simply click text, and then I'm going to put my name here and just drag it accordingly. Then I'm going to change the color, and I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger. But first I'm going to change the font. And for the font, I'm going to use Alora. And then I'm going to resize that just because I feel like you can see it better when it's bigger. Next, I'm going to just go ahead and duplicate this and have my surname on the right side. Then I'm going to go ahead and add another text box. This is pretty much going to be a different text box for things I'm trying to use. Here I'm using the Burbas Never font, and it's just going to kind of say what my channel is about. So I'm calling this AI Brand Accelerator, but you can go ahead and call this like travel, lifestyle, anything, tech, just basically telling your audience what your channel is about. Then I'm going to duplicate this and also add my social media channel. So you can add your Instagram or so on and so forth. Best part, go to elements, search the social media platform. So here I'm searching Instagram, and I'm basically just going to put that icon here, and I'm going to change that color just because white just looks better on this background. Then I'm basically just going to position this accordingly and do the same thing. You can add your TikTok, you can add your email, you can add so much more. Basically letting your audience know how to find you or how brands reach you itself. So here I'm just going to go ahead and just have Twitter as my second option. Then you're just going to position this accordingly. Like at the end of the day, it's really up to you how you want to create your banner. But I think the cleaner it is, the better it is for your channel. So we're going to go ahead and change the color for the Twitter icon and replace that here. Now this is pretty much how it's going to look. But next part we're going to do is upload that same image we had in the beginning, just so that we make sure that our text and everything else fit right inside that gray box. The dark gray. So we're going to reduce the transparency so we can still see it. But now you can see our letters are pretty much outside the box. So we're going to move that a bit in just because once it fits the gray box, that's how it's going to look on YouTube, which I will show you how it looks for me at the end of this video. So now that we've pretty much fit this in, you can go ahead and delete that original picture. And now we're just going to fix this just because you can see that the fade, everything is kind of everywhere, the icon. So we're going to go ahead and fix this. And once you're happy with this, all you just need to just do is click share. That's where you can download this image itself so you can use it as your YouTube banner. And that's it. This is how it's pretty much going to look on the TV, your desktop, your mobile. And then you're going to come to your YouTube. You can change that and hit publish. And I'll show you how it looks like for myself. This is pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful. And if you did, let me know in the comments.